Lesson 10-9, Example 2. We're looking at learning how to find the surface area of a pyramid here. And here we have a three-dimensional picture of a pyramid, a square pyramid. So it has a square base and four triangular faces. We have 7 along here. Dimensions are 7 by 7 with an 8 foot height for the triangular face. And we could use a net. We can unfold this. So if we were just basically to cut along the edges and allow those sides to fall open, we would end up with this figure right here. So this would be this three-dimensional pyramid laying flat. This is the net of that particular square pyramid. And if we want to find the surface area of that, well, we have 5 different faces here. The first one is this square. And I would want to know the area of this square. And then we have 4 identical triangular faces. And we want to find out the area of each of those. Add it all together will give us the overall surface area of that pyramid. So let's think about what we need to do here. Well, each of these sides here, I'm going to refer to those as S. And I'm going to use a little s. Remember, we're using large S, capital S, to designate surface area. So I'm going to think of this as a side, and there's a side here also. And since it's a square, all of those sides are congruent. They're all the same, which is part of the definition of a square. So if I want to find out the area of this shape would be length times width, or one side times another side. I'm going to write that up here for a second. I've seen whenever I'm multiplying the same thing by itself, I could also think of that as squared, or to the second power. So I can think of this side squared. So that gets us the area of the square. Well, in order to find the area of a triangle, I know that I need to do 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of that triangle. And I have 4 of these triangles. So this is one triangle. I have 4 identical triangles. So I can multiply the area of one of those triangles by 4 to get the area of all 4 of those. So I could say that's 4 times 1/2 base times height. So whatever that area is, I'm going to multiply that by 4. Okay, well, let's see. So I want the surface area of the whole thing. So that would be the area of the square, which is s squared, little s squared, added to the area of all 4 of those triangles, which is this right here. So I'm going to add that to the area of all 4 triangular faces. And we end up with this formula. Surface area of a pyramid is equal to the sides of that square squared plus 4 times the area of one of the triangles, which is 1/2 base times the height. So now that we have a formula, let's start putting in some numbers. So surface area equals the little s, that side is 7 feet. So 7 squared plus 4 times 1/2 the base of this triangle. I'm looking to look at this triangle right here. The base of that triangle is 7 times the height, and the height is 8. So now that we've substituted all of our variables for numbers, let's start working this out. So I'm going to start with 7 times 7, that's 49, plus 4 times 1/2 times, well, 7 times 8 is 56. I'm going to do a couple multiplications in that first step. So surface area equals 49 plus 4 times 1/2 times 56, or 1/2 of 56 is 28. So now I can multiply 28 times 4. So I have 49 plus, and 4 times 28 is 112. And then finally 112 plus 49 gives us a surface area for the whole figure, 161 square feet. We're in feet. So this is how you would find the surface area for a square pyramid.